Hi friends, do you want to grow happy, smart and strong? Let's sing and learn about 8 healthy habits we can do every day. Healthy habits every day help us laugh, learn, sing and play. Brush our teeth and wash our hands, eat good food and make big plans. Healthy habits come along, let's grow happy, smart and strong. Let's keep our teeth clean and shiny. Brush your teeth in the morning and at night to keep your smile bright. Brush, 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 shiny teeth no rush. Morning and night, keep them clean and bright. Washing hands keeps germ away. Wash your hands before you eat, after playing and after using the bathroom. Soap and water scrub, scrub, scrub. Clean hands make a happy club. Fruits and vegetables give you energy to play and grow strong. Red like apples, green like peas. Eat your veggies, say yes, please. Healthy food is oh so fun. Helps you jump and helps you run. Water keeps me fresh and full of energy. Drink water every day to stay healthy and strong. Sip, sip, sip. Water's cool. Water is our number 1 rule. Let's move our bodies. Run, jump, dance and play. Exercise keeps your heart happy and your body strong. Jump like a frog, wiggle like a worm. Run like a puppy and twist and turn. Sleeping early helps your body rest and grow. Close your eyes and snuggle tight. Sleepy time feels so right. Healthy kids sleep through the night. Wake up happy with morning light. Books are my favorite. Reading helps your brain grow and makes you smarter every day. Open a book and take a look. Learning is fun in every nook. I like sharing toys with my friends. Being kind makes you and everyone around you happy. Share a smile, lend a hand. Kindness makes the world so grand. Great job, friends. You've learned 8 healthy habits. Let's sing our song one more time. Healthy habits every day help us laugh, learn, sing and play. Brush our teeth and wash our hands. Eat good food and make big plans. Healthy habits come along. Let's grow happy, smart and strong. Don't forget to subscribe so you can sing, play and grow with us every week. Click the red button and ring the bell for more fun songs and videos. See you next time, friends.